it has come to our attention that some of our clients are experiencing problems with the adjustment screw on the cup lock stand. When used correctly, the adjustment screw does not have any issues. However, some clients push and lock the cup way too hard, and when pushed so hard, the screw will press against the metal sleeve of the lock stand, damaging it and melting the plastic on the adjustment screw during the heat-up process. In addition, the inner sleeve can also suffer damage, resulting in fluctuation of internal temperature. This, of course, will impact on your final product. The correct method is to never apply too much pressure on the adjusting lock stand or on the cup. Rather, the locking motion of the cap stand should be easy to the touch. It must neither be too loose that your item can move around inside, nor too tight that it can cause damage. The simple rule is, don't force it, feel it. If too tight, loosen the adjustment screw and retighten until it feels just right and the handle can be compressed without excessive force. Just do it a few times until it feels just right. However, because we have your best interest at heart, we have introduced an upgraded adjustable screw, and all our existing clients are welcome to replace their old adjusting screw with the upgraded one, free of charge. This is the new adjustment screw, protected by oil paper to prevent rusting. So firstly, just remove the wrapping, and to replace the screw, remove the 4 screws on the cup stand to gain access to the adjustable screw holder. Unbolt the screw. Now, because we put Loctite on the screw, it might be too tight. If this is the case, you can use a hairdryer to heat it up a little so that you can loosen it. Remove the screw and replace with a new one. And there you are, ready to heat press away again. To claim your free adjustable screw update, you can contact your salesperson to make the arrangements. Thank you for watching this video.